Hey you guys, what's up? What's going on? It's Amber Higgins coming at you live from Charleston, South Carolina. As you guys are hopping on, say hi, say hello. Today, I want to talk to you about how social media is your resume to the world. So before I started online marketing and started my own online business, I had no idea about this concept, and I'm assuming the majority of you watching this have no idea as well. So as you're hopping on, say hi, say hello, drop a 1 in the comments below if you're live, drop a 2 if you're on the replay. Tap the share button for your chance to win my weekly prize pack giveaway. I do giveaways for shares every single week. So make sure you guys tap the share button, share it in the comments below whenever you are done. And stay tuned to my stories on Instagram and Facebook for the winners of the giveaways every single Friday. Okay, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Hi, Amanda. Hey, Jana. Hey, Erica. Hi, Amber. Hi, Lantern Lady on TikTok. Hi, Beauty something. Hi, Cooper on TikTok. Say hi. You guys are hopping on. Say hello. All right. So first and foremost, I want to know who on this live video already posts to social media. Like maybe you post pictures of yourself. Maybe you post pictures of your kids. Maybe you post pictures of things that you do on the weekend. Maybe you post like statuses about how work is going. Like I'm just curious if you post to Instagram, to Facebook, or to TikTok at all, drop a me in the comments below. I don't know what's happening over here, but Janet seems to be having a really bad day, and I think we need to block her because I don't know who in their right mind, would spend their time, their free time, hating on somebody's comment in their comments, on their lives, on any of their posts. I think that is lame. So she dropped the comment, the word lame, in my comments on TikTok, so we blocked her because I think she is lame. Anyways, moving right along. Hi, Shannon. Hey, Amber. Hey, Joe. Make sure you guys share the video if you haven't already, and then you might win some free ketones. I don't know. Hey, Brittany Hepworth. How are you, baby? Okay, so anyways, that distracted me. So your social media is your resume to the world, and let me explain what I'm telling you when I say this. Back to what I was saying before. If you post on social media at all, drop a me in the comments below. I'm just curious. And if you've ever wanted to learn how to actually monetize your social media and start making money through your post, drop a $sign in the comments below because that is exactly what I do. I teach people how to do exactly what I do. Just to give you a little bit of a backstory, I talked about this in my stories, which by the way, if you watch my stories, drop stories in the comments below. But 3 years ago, I was working 2 full-time jobs as a medical assistant. I came across the opportunity to learn how to utilize social media, to build a brand, to build a following, and to learn how to monetize that following. And essentially, it quite literally changed my entire life, okay? I was making probably like $30,000 before taxes as a medical assistant. And when I started learning how to use social media to make money online, like it changed me as a person. I physically transformed because my confidence started to grow, obviously, right? Who on here has been following me since when I started? If you have been like here from the beginning, drop OG in the comments below. If you're new, drop new in the comments below. So not only just physically, but mentally, emotionally, and financially, social media has changed the entire trajectory of my entire life. So I went from making $30,000 before taxes to making multiple 6 figures a year through social media. And it's just really cool to me because I had no idea how to even start. Like I used to always watch people on social media and be like, man, like I really wish I had this lifestyle. Really, like, you know, people on social media, they travel all the time. It looks like they just like live the life. Like they just live in the life. You know what I mean? Like they're just like going anywhere they want. They get to travel. They're like eating at lavish restaurants. They're like shopping all the time. It's just like working today at the pool. Me and Kelsey worked today at the pool for hours. Like it was just like the lifestyle that attracted me to what social media influencers do. And you can call me an influencer, you can call me an entrepreneur, you can call me a businesswoman. I am an entrepreneur is essentially what it is, okay? So anyways, I learned how to utilize social media to make money, and that is when I realized that social media is your resume to the world. And so whether you like it or not, people's perception of you is based off of what you put out in the world. And if you don't put out any content at all, their perception of you is what they have created in their own mind. Okay, so either you can create the resume yourself and you can start posting and showing people, telling people about you, you guys, I'm just curious, who on here feels like they know me? Who feels feels like they know me. If you feel like you know me, like as a person, drop a heart in the comments below. Because I share a lot about who I am. I share a lot about my thoughts. I share a lot about my feelings. I share a lot about my healing. I share a lot about my fitness journey. I share a lot about who I am as a person. And so you guys, that is my resume to who you are. And so you feel like you know who I am, and you do know a lot about me, okay? You know a lot about me. Like, we are besties. If we're besties, drop besties in the comments below. But I have created this resume based off of what I have chosen to post through social media. If this is making sense, drop a fire emoji in the comments below, and make sure you guys tap share in the comments below, or make sure you guys share the video and then comment share it in the comments below whenever you're done for your chance to win my weekly giveaway. So I wanted to come on here and just give you guys like a quick little synopsis of how you can start making money through social media. Like, a lot of you guys are posting for fun. Like, what if I told you you could continue to post what you love, things about your family, things about you. I could actually just teach you a strategy of how to post specifically so that you can start growing a following, and then I could teach you how to actually monetize and start making money through your posting on social media. So if that's something that you guys want to learn, I would love to teach you my strategy. Drop a $sign in the comments below. Now it is something that takes work and consistency. Okay, I don't want anybody on this live to think that there's like this kind of like get rich quick thing, because that does not exist anywhere in the world. I don't care who you talk to. I don't care what business you start. It is impossible. Okay, but what I will tell you is, with consistency, with if you have determination to do it no matter what, like if you have resilience and you can be consistent and show up on the days even when it's hard. Like, I literally sat here, I'm just gonna be totally transparent. You guys know I keep it real on here with you guys. If you guys like when I keep it real and transparent, drop a yes in the comments below. But I'm gonna keep it real with you. I sat on TikTok live for probably about 10 minutes before I even pressed the live on Facebook, and I was like, guys, I was yawning. I was literally yawning. I literally went and got myself a keto kick for energy. I needed fast, instant energy. This is ketosis, by the way, for those of you who don't know. And I was like, I just need energy. I'm like yawning. I'm like, I have no energy. I don't really feel like doing this, but like, I know my friends depend on me to show up every single day. So it's just one of those instances where, you know, I don't always feel like showing my face, especially this healing journey has been so brutally rough for me. I've been struggling mentally. I've just been struggling. Like, I try to show the happy parts, the sad parts, the struggling parts. I try to show everything. And so I love that you guys appreciate that. That means a lot to me. But anyways, I just wanted to let you know that today is one of those days where I didn't really feel like showing up. But I did it anyway. And guess what? Because I showed up, I am impacting somebody on the other end of the screen's life. Like, somebody on the other end of the screen saw me for the first time, or maybe the second time. If you're new, drop new in the comments below. And you are now introduced to a life-changing opportunity that could quite literally change your entire life. Just because I pushed through the not wanting to show up, and I did it anyway. Right? So anyways, I wanted to come on here and talk about how your resume to the world is via social media. And so you can utilize it whatever way you want, in whatever way, shape, or form. I just personally like to use it to help people feel like they're not alone, help people feel like, you know, there are other people out there who are like them. Like, for the longest time, I thought I was weird. I thought I was awkward. Like, I thought I was quirky. And I am weird, awkward, and quirky. But all of you watching me, there was a 99.9% chance you were weird, you were awkward, and you were quirky. And that is why you watch me. If I'm right, drop right in the comments below, because I know I'm right. All right? So anyways, I'm going to hop off of here. I love you guys so very much. I appreciate you so much for your support. I appreciate you following me. If you're on Facebook, tap the three dots, click follow and see first. If you're on TikTok, actually click the follow button. But what I need you to do, if you want to learn how to make money through social media, is you have to click my name right here, go to my profile, click the little Instagram square, go follow me on Instagram, and message me a $sign on Instagram, because TikTok banned me from Messenger. They won't let me send messages. It's so freaking rude. It's so rude. But that's the only way that I'm going to be able to connect with you. So anyways, I love you. I appreciate you. Thanks for hanging out. Make sure you guys share the video if you haven't shared already. I hope that you have a good rest of your day. And I will be live later tonight. Not too late. It's 5:30 right now, so 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, I'll be live 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time to pack your trial packs of ketones. So if you need energy, better mood, focus, fat loss, appetite control, it's a great day to try ketones. Trial packs are really great because you get to pick and choose your flavors. You also get a free shaker as well. So like these shakers are pretty cool. So go grab a trial pack. I will pack it live at 8 p.m. I love you. I appreciate you. Y'all have a good rest of your day. And I'll see you at 8 o'clock. Bye.